Yeah, this isn't really helping.
Yeah, that's not outside, that's on the inside. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, yes, you guys have seen me get stuck off-road with zero skills whatsoever.
What the hell is going on? Why me? Why now? I mean, look at that. What the hell is going on?
And yeah, I got the Jimny a little bit dirty, just a tiny little bit. Maybe even a tiny bit much. Anyway, gonna have to clean this one up. Not really sure how, but yeah. And it's also raining outside. Yeah, It is looking bad. Like really, really bad. Oh Lord. So last week when I got a little bit stuck, I opened my door and I floored it. So dirt got flying this way, ricocheted right off the door and flew straight into my interior. So yeah, I have no idea how I'm gonna clean that up, but gotta fix something, you know? Yeah, buddy. And I am using my waterproof phone because, well, it is raining. Gotta put on a rain jacket first. First thing I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do the interior, or the exterior, or the interior. I really do not want to start in the interior. It's just that goddamn nasty. The big rope that pulled me out. Look at that. This is nasty. And this has to be the most satisfying shower garden hose I have ever seen. Look at this. You got like 8 different stands, and look what it all can do. Look at that. So you got the morning wood. Then we have the this makes no sense, but it's called the soaker. But that doesn't even get to the Jimny. The next one we have is like morning mist. Then we have flat. It's like, look at that, it's like a flat. Very nice. Then we have center. Look at that. So satisfying. How was your day today? Satisfying as mine? Anyway, so next up we have mist. Another misty one. Look at that. And we have shower. Also very nice. Giving my Jimny a little shower. Here we go, a little bit. Decent. Then we have angle. I have no idea why they would put, like, makes no sense. And then we have full. I call it morning wood, but you know, it's just a full-on spray.
Yeah, this isn't really helping.
Just gonna make it wet. Rain is also helping me making it wet. So all the big dirt, fat dirt, can get a little bit softened up. Why am I not using the high pressure washer? Ah, dang it. Dang it. Come on. They should invent like these wireless or tubeless spray hoses. So much better. Look at how easy that comes off the bed liner. Bed liner is even clean. That's how good bed liner works. God dang it. Oh yeah.
Now, I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I've seen these videos where these guys are like cleaning the interior with a high pressure washer. And at this point in time, I was seriously considering also just going inside with a high pressure washer. Should I do it? I don't know. Look at this. This is on the inside. I mean, this is clean, but dang it. Maybe I can just get the hose and just wash this a little bit down or something, or get in there and spray it this way. I don't know. I can do that. It's not... Oh, I got my walkie-talkies here. Just gonna try a little bit. Can't be that bad, can it? If I use a towel later on? Seriously, don't know. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, I seriously hate doing this, but God dang it. Oh man. I should just snap everything out. Damn it. So I just took the door panel off. I seriously do not want to turn my Jimny into a rust bucket. So yeah, I'm just gonna dry everything off. I mean, and then clean the panel after. Might be the best idea I ever had. God dang it. God dang it. I'm really gonna have to dry this up. This is gonna be growing mushrooms anytime soon. Oh Lord. Man, this is not normal. This is just... Should have just taken to some kind of car cleaner and be like, here dude, clean my car. And pay the guy some money. God dang it. And fun fact, I am getting the Jimny all naked, and I forgot I had an appointment in 20 minutes. But yeah, gonna be back at another point this day. So yeah, as you can tell, suddenly I'm in a Jeep. Just waiting for a mate. Bam, and we're back. So still have to clean the Jimny. Doesn't clean it by itself. And this is how it looks after I use the high pressure washer. Look at that. This is disgusting. The interior is starting to look kind of nice, so gonna try and do this with a brush and vacuum clean that. Yep. So easy to work on these Jimnys. God dang it. So easy. Bang. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Little one in here. Nice. You gotta be clean. It is very important to have clean pedals, because you need to have all the grip you can. Yeah, but Nice. And Bob was also involved when we got stuck, but now I'm cleaning. There's no Bob to be seen. I have no idea how he did it, but his side also got a little bit dirty. And he did not open his door when I floored the chimney. What the hell have you been doing, Bob?
How you do that? Just get up. Just step over it. I mean,
What the hell is that? And how did it get? I mean, what the?
you dirty, Bob. You nasty. God dang it.
And smack the devil out of it. Now, let me show you guys the power of Dusty. World's best soap degreaser thingy. Look at this, you guys are going to be amazed. Yeah, buddy, Dusty it is. Dusty, the best degreaser and cleaner a man can get. You guys know I am really deeply in love with sausage rolls, and the wife is bringing me two sausage rolls. She's on her way. I'm excited. Look at that. That is a brand new Jimny. Ready for Bob to make it dirty again. Oh, look at that. This is gold. These are some good ass sausage rolls. You can keep your fancy restaurants. You can keep your 5-star Michelins. You can keep your very expensive dishes. Seriously, don't care. All I need is a sausage roll and a Jimny. A clean Jimny, that is. Now look at that result. Very, very nice. And this was our last supper you have seen me eat. And that's a towing rope, so gotta fix that one too. Maybe not. Soon, buddy. Very, very soon. I promise. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Chicken nugget. Magic, magic. Boom! Look at that. Shiny as a baby's behindy. Nice. Now, I know it is not as shiny as a baby behindy yet, but the last coat sent me some products. Yep. We're gonna put some of this stuff on it right now. Looks like some cat has been on the Jimny, but I know this is caused by some twigs and lumber and sticks like scratching over the hood. God dang it. Ooh, very shiny, silky smooth. God dang it. Smells like bubblegum too. And let's do the smoothness test. Does it slide? Yes, it does slide. Nice. Gonna finish off the rest of the Jimny, but look at it. Ain't it a beautiful thing? It's probably gonna be dirty again tomorrow. Because it's weekend, probably gonna floor it and trash it again. Ride it, clean it, ride it again. And probably repair it if you break it. But anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Peace. Drive safe.